In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a calendar and form into Canva website. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, we need to go to Canva's website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Canva's homepage. Canva is a versatile tool widely known for its user-friendly design features. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to click on the login button. You'll find this option typically at the top right of the page. Enter your login details and proceed. Once logged in, you will be directed to Canva Home. This is essentially your dashboard where you can see all your existing designs and create new ones. From the Canva Home, click on the Projects tab located in the sidebar on the left side of the screen. This is where all your saved designs are stored. Now you'll need to select the project that you are looking to work on. These could be design templates that you have either created or those that you are in the process of refining. Browse through your list of projects and click on the one you're targeting for this embed process. With your project open, direct your attention over to the sidebar again and look for the Apps option. Click on it to explore the host of integrations and additional tools Canva offers. Once you are in the Apps section, use the search bar to find Embed. Canva embeds allow you to integrate external content like calendars or forms directly into your design. After locating the embed option, click to start the process. Here you will see a prompt to paste your link. This step is crucial as it allows you to insert the URL of the calendar or form you wish to have on your website. So copy the link from your external calendar or form provider and paste it into the provided space. Canva will then convert that external URL into an embedded element right within your project, maintaining the look and feel of your design, but enhancing it with interactive content. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully embedded a calendar and form into your Canva website design. This feature is a fantastic way to ensure your content is interactive, providing users with a seamless experience while navigating through your site. Remember, embedding external elements like these can make a huge difference in engagement and usability. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher on embedding content in Canva, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to keep enhancing your digital creations. Thanks for watching and happy designing.